This is the notice. Na hii kitu unajua ni slab juu. Huko kitu unaweza katika.
Saa yoyote.
Mimi naona kazi ya kuzikua watu tena hapa. Utakuja kuzikua?
Kuchukua?
Kufufua yenye amefunikiwa chini. Si unaona hiyo kitu ni mzito na wamekula chini.
Umeona?
Hii inaenda tu. Check out this house. Look at another one has been destroyed by the government. And check out this. Checking out the rich neighborhood that have been demolished by the government to give way for. Let us check out this. Massive destruction. This was a house of someone. He used to live here. Let's check out. Nothing. Nice rooms. Used to be rooms. You can see another one over there being destroyed. Just zoom it. Check out that one. Tricky situation. House house have been brought down by the government. Gotta check out that. Here's up is another neighborhood here. And still check out the rides. Nothing has been left here. Look at this. The communication box. Here's the plantations, the plantain here, bananas. Everything has been destroyed in this neighborhood. And check out the other house down here, completely destroyed. Tricky situation here, nothing left. This used to be a home. And check out this. This was a house number 1, house number 2, house number 3. This house, the other house was destroyed. The entire neighborhood. And check out that. Maybe we just check in to see if there is something that was left. Nothing. This used to be maybe sitting area. Nothing. Completely destroyed. There used to be a bathroom, maybe wash. Nothing. Oh. House has been ripped down completely. Nothing left to see here. You can see people trying to. Maybe we check out another neighborhood here. Whoa. This one was again destroyed. Completely brought down. 100% gone. Nothing left. Only the plantation. Oh, this one was completely ripped down by the bulldozer. Nothing was left here. Nothing. And check out water. Water is running. Destroyed water. Whoa, this was massive. Another neighborhood here. Completely destroyed. So it's been a massive building. Yes, here we are. Another massive house. You can see people are looting. You can see those guys down there are looting. And check out this. This was completely destroyed. It was a house someone used to used to stay here probably. You can see this one was completely destroyed. Nothing was left here. Check out the wall. Maybe we're can see the entire neighborhood. The entire neighborhood was brought down. Yes. Maybe gonna check out up there. See, whoa, some massive building here that was destroyed again. You gotta check out this. Let's see what we can be able to record here. Whoa. This must have been the most expensive house. Oh, destroyed. Let's check out that. Check out the neighborhood. This entire house was brought down. See people looting. Everybody is busy looting. See this. This one is dangerous now. For looting, people are carrying stones. Hizi itaangukia watu.
Mimi naona tu hivi. Angalia huko juu.
Sababu kama wametoa hizo pila za hapa,
jamaa tu pande moja. Hadi hiyo kuta hizi ndio?
Hii
na hii. Pande hii ndio?
Itawaangukia.
Hawana haki, wana wali wasiwasi wote maji. Kila hizo peke yake.
People are looting here. Let's check out the communication. Watch out this. Let's see here what is happening here. Oh, there was a swimming pool here. Poa. Been destroyed completely. And check out a very big house. Hapo nikitafuta nini? Hii itadondoka.
Ameenda itarudi.
Hiyo pila za chini unajua wamekula. Na hii kitu unajua ni slab juu. Huo kitu unaweza katika.
Saa yoyote.
Mimi naona kazi ya kuzikua watu tena hapa. Utakuja kuzikua?
Kuchukua?
Kufufua yenye amefunikiwa chini. Si unaona hiyo kitu ni mzito na wamekula chini.
Umeona?
Hii inaenda tu. Hii utasikia mtakuja kazi ya kuzikua watu chini hapa.
Hapa mtu anapatikana hapa kumshika kwa ndege.
The entire neighborhood was brought down. Check out. Massive destruction. Imagine. People are now looting. This is the notice.